When you were little, did you have a dollhouse? I did. I loved dolls. I still do. My daughters love dolls too. They each have a dollhouse, and I love going into their rooms to see how they've styled their houses. When you're little, playing house is so exciting. You never see clutter in a dollhouse. It's pretty clear and artfully decorated. Each space is used with purpose. When we're little girls, we have it all figured out with our dollhouses. There is a place for everything and everything in its place. Then we become adults and are running our own homes. Suddenly, playing house isn't so fun, it's frustrating. And there's clutter everywhere, and organization is hard. What goes wrong? What changes? Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. Last week, you saw me do a whole house declutter. Today, we're going to examine the organized home as a whole. This is part of the Mega March motivation started by the lovely Dawn from the Minimal Mom. I'm going to leave a playlist down below, and you can check out all of the other organized home tours to give you inspiration. So back to my question. If we've got it all figured out as kids, and we can play house with joy, and in our make-believe homes there's not only magical things like mouse families and unicorns, but also, I would argue, an even more magical thing, no clutter, what has changed? Well, life gets in the way. When things get hard, it's easier to stuff a mess into a cabinet and close the door. As long as the surfaces are clear, we feel we are maintaining the dollhouse standard. I have to go through my cupboards every few months because I am so guilty of this. As I give you a glimpse into different rooms of our home, I want to explore how to get back to that dollhouse standard. I'm trying to capture the wonder and joy my children have with my home. Think about it. Kids aren't bitter when they play house. Each room in the dollhouse is brimming with cheer and charm. That's what I want. I don't see any place for clutter in my real-life dollhouse. That doesn't mean it's not there. But as I learned in Paris, clutter is so not chic. So we do our best to keep things clutter-free and organized. When clutter and organization start to get out of control in our home, I try to look at my home with a different filter. Sometimes the dollhouse correlation doesn't work for me, so I think about what I love about staying in a high-end hotel or a cozy and elegant bed and breakfast. Usually the decor is attractive, things are in order, and of course there's no clutter or organizational issues. That helps me to tackle a clutter hotspot, to get rid of it and even clear the cupboard or drawer under it. I might not be able to relate to dollhouses as much anymore, but I can certainly try to channel my favorite hotel. Nothing is ever going to be perfect, and clutter and organizational issues will likely always exist. But if you can get your main rooms under control and keep on top of them, living with no clutter will simply be your state of being. If you would like more inspiration, check out my Madame Chic books. And if you'd like to help teach your kids about keeping their spaces neat, check out Connoisseur Kids. I hope you enjoyed my musings and rather unconventional tour of certain parts of our home. Thank you, Dawn from the Minimal Mom, for inviting me to be a part of another wonderful collaboration. I truly love all of the other channels who are participating and encourage you to check them out in the playlist down below. Keep calm and remain classy, friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!